you're recording.
And zoom out. Oh man, it's wide angle too.
Yeah, it works really well. Okay, hang on. Okay, you're gonna have to come straight
into the bush.
Yeah, you're gonna have to come straight, otherwise you're gonna catch. Okay, now cut it. Okay, let's back up a little. Let me get this rock out of the way once you get back.
Those are my ceramic brakes.
That's good.
Dude, this is the best shot. You're so close. Oh, and you're so strong.
Okay. Yeah, let's cut.
I may need you one more.
You probably will. You're going to hit the sidewall.
I am.
We're going to be it's going to be very challenging for us.
Yeah.
Now am I clear there?
Yep. You are clear.
I'm gonna back up.
No, I wouldn't do.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. No, you got to keep coming on your course.
Keep me off, keep me from going
Okay, let's
down.
go that way. Now you can cut it.
Yep, cut it.
Perfect. Perfect.
I don't want to go.
No, you're
good. You're good.
Your differential's gonna clear.
You're gonna be fine.
Now come on slow. Now keep an eye on his rear differential.
Straight.
Okay, slow, slow, slow. And slow, come on, slow. You're good. 3 inches. 3 inches.
It's gonna be challenging for the longer vehicles.
What are you gonna do if you do clear it?
Have a sip of water, I think.
Go to Disneyland?
Exactly.